It's almost 4 a.m. and I just woke up. And I maintain what I've always said, that John is one mad bastard. We're making the run to Vancouver today from Edmonton, and I've woken up with some of my Edmonton going away presents, which is about a half dozen bug bites that itch like hell, and even like they're swollen and irritated to the point that even not touching them has pressure behind them. Let's take a look at what it's like outside. Pretty much how it looked 4 hours ago when we went to bed. We've got to go from Edmonton to Vancouver. It's about 11 or 12 hours, depending on, how much of a lead foot you have and traffic and things. It's almost 4 a.m. We do get a bonus hour because of time zones changing, but John needs to get to his parents' place by 4 p.m. So he can pick up Max, drop me off, and go catch the ferry to get back home, because he and I both have work tomorrow, which was poor planning on our part. But, I said before that, somebody was saying, hey, hope that, have a lot of rest and relaxation on your vacation. And I'm like, no, man, we're going hard. We're coming back tired. So this is it. These are the consequences of our choices.
Yeah, blog?
Yeah, pretty much. If I have to be up at 4 in the morning, the internet's going to suffer with me.
Or you must profit.
That wouldn't hurt.
At least you don't have to stay up.
Yeah, but I will, because it's me. I know how these things work. But we'll see what happens. So I'm just now going to see about checking out via the app, because at 4 in the morning, I'm probably not the person that you want to talk to.
Ray's a hero for getting up this early so we can get back, so I can get a ferry today home.
Damn right. And John's a mad bastard.
Yes.
It's so early the app is not giving me the option to check out.
What?
Wait, hold on. You've been logged out due to an issue with your credentials?
Oh, for reauthing the Wi-Fi?
I don't think so. This is the app. The Wi-Fi's fine because I woke up to with some messages, some nice messages. If you got up before in the morning, have some nice messages to wake up to. That ain't bad. We don't recognize your sign-in credentials.
That's weird.
I hate life. Let's try typing in my password anew. I'm going to try one more time, and then we're going to get the hell out of here. Because I didn't wake up this early to fight with an app, Hilton. Signing in. We don't recognize your sign-in details. I don't know what the hell you're talking about. Alright, whatever. We do it the old school way. Or maybe we just leave our key in the room. What do you think? Key in the room?
Yeah, I think key in the room, but here's what we're going to do. And I'm even going to do it. This is a phone, right?
That is a phone.
A little bit here so I can read. One of these should say front desk, right?
It's generally 0, but not always.
It didn't do anything. It doesn't say anything. I don't even get it down until when I pick it up.
Is there on the handset, is there a button to activate the connection?
No, there's not. Oh, maybe talk.
Yeah.
It's 4 in the morning.
And that's a little old school. I mean, who really uses a phone anymore?
Oh, hey there. This is Ray up in room 1515. I couldn't check out via the app, so I'm just letting you know I'm checking out. It was good. Yeah, it was good, thanks. Yes, please. Thanks so much. Bye.
Good work, Ray.
Done.
I approve.
Yes, if you wanted to have an email sent, I said yes, so.
Yeah, standard email.
Email is incoming.
Email receipt is the way that Hilton does things, and it works for me. It's not always what it should be. Sometimes it's a tiny bit more, but... Alright, grabbing my backpack, my tripod, my luggage, and let's take off the D&D side. I'll leave that on that fancy shelf there. Shut off the light, and I don't think I'm leaving anything behind. At this point, I'm not sure how much I care. Alright, let's roll.
Ray has on occasion called me Mr. Perfect Hair. As you can see, it's not something that I wake up with. It's something that I have to work at.
Still better hair than me, I think, although mine's slightly more low maintenance at the moment.
In order, though, right?
Yeah, we want it. Vacation Impossible, we do the impossible. We also do the ill-advised.
Lord, I need a haircut. I'm approaching mullet.
That's an expense line item I don't worry about. You can watch the video where I shaved my head for the first time here on the channel if you'd like.
Right. Run this way.
Yeah. I was just adjusting my tripod because, you know, YouTuber life. And go this way and maybe get fewer bug bites because I don't cross this grass of bug death. I'm wearing shorts and a leather jacket right now because it made sense for 4 in the morning somehow. And the tripod because YouTuber life. Oddly, I probably don't need this jacket.
Tripod, I just have to right there, right?
That's fine. That's like 12 hours from now, Ray's problem. Screw that guy. Although he's had a rough day, I bet.
Fine, as long as he stops whining about it. John, where we're going?
Yeah, we're going to Vancouver.
Not quite.
Well, you're going to Victoria.
We'll see you at the window.
Yeah, see you soon.
Yeah, okay, I was right. She did say see at the window. It's 4:10, and we found a Tim Hortons that is open. These people are magic.
Hey. No, I don't. Damn it, my wife has the card.
So here.
Unless you got Tim Hortons. Oh, you're paying for? Oh, thank God.
You can just tap that.
Here, you can just have it.
I don't like the iced tea, but, you know, it seems appropriate for the morning. Actually, iced tea I think is good for most times. Passenger airbag off. What the hell did I do? There we go. It's better now.
That's not a button.
I guess it just kind of resolved.
That just kind of resolved itself at the same time I hit it, which is kind of funny. It's kind of funny.
And 4 a.m., everything is either funny or incredibly sad. There's no in between. There's no, that's all right. There's just like, oh God. Or thank God. There's oh God and thank God. Those are the two things at 4 in the morning. There's nothing else in between. That's one way to find out how you really feel about something is sleep deprivation. That's the word. Yay, I can talk. They're gonna make me a grilled cheese sandwich. That sounds so good.
That kind of does sound good.
You can have some if you want.
No, I'm okay. I got my bagel.
Yeah.
I want to be happy with a bagel and some cream cheese.
See, look. There's a. Can you kill that fly, please?
Where?
Oh,
Oh, Jesus.
you see it? It's like a mosquito, and it's gonna eat us alive if it doesn't die.
More.
Because, like, seriously, I've got so many bug bites. It's insane. I've got a half dozen bug bites, and I just like.
Dude, the wedding, the venue was like 200 feet away from a swamp. So.
Did you get bit?
Yes, and then people had this bug spray, and I was just basically like dipped in the bug spray, so twice.
So we don't have that now. Freaking Edmonton with your bugs. Ugh. I really hope it doesn't scar. Like, I got this thing on my arm. It was a bug bite from, I don't know, like a year and a half ago. I don't know where or when that happened, but it will not go away. It doesn't itch anymore, but I think it's like scarred. And I don't need that nonsense. And you can spot it showing up in our videos. Maybe you internet detectives can figure
Thank you.
out when it happened.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Food. Nom 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 nom.
Eat your breakfast. I'll get mine.
It's very warm in my lap. So it's 5 a.m. and something weird is happening. The sky is slowly illuminating. It's kind of strange. Now you might say to yourself, Ray, that's obviously what they call a sunrise. But the thing is that it's at my right, and we're headed west, which would put that to the north. So what I think is happening is that by waking up so early in the morning, we've torn a tear in the fabric of space-time and are now in a different alternate dimension where the sun rises in the north for some reason. It's the only explanation I can think of. Again, these are theories that can only possibly be true at 5 a.m. Again, this is ill-advised. What we're doing. So it's still too damn early. We're stopping in Hinton just to fuel up. $55 in gas because we're in Canada again.
Currency conversion too, right?
Yeah. But I got my sort of early morning mainstay, particularly in Canada, vanilla milk to go.
Me too.
So, yeah, we're equipped. We had 2 bottles of water and a bottle and a half of cola, and I left it in the fridge in the hotel in Edmonton. So, we've got our health food has been replenished. We got mine, and then of course we've got John's.
Mine's more survived the day.
So it is now 7:47, but we are redoing an hour because we're in BC now. So we've crossed time zones. These time zones are making me crazy. So anyways, we're on the far side of Jasper now. We're back in British Columbia, and we stopped at a rest stop for, well, what you kind of stop at rest stops for. So, I think we're making good time. I've taken a couple little tiny naps here and there, 5-10 minutes, John's music comes on, I'm like, one of my songs comes on, I'm like, yeah, jamming. Ooh, my turn for the body. Well, we're at another rest stop, partly because we got a lot of beverages. John had a couple Red Bull, I had a milk to go, and I don't know, something about an early start to the day makes you have to, you get the idea. So, anyways, we're making really good time. Current estimates have us arriving in Vancouver Burnaby sometime before 3 p.m. So, that's not bad. So it's going well. Just driving. Got a little bit of rain going on here right now. And, we're just sort of at the rest area here in Little Fort. There's John. Rest area, Little Fort. It's not a bad little spot. That's funny, when we were planning this trip and I was kind of imagining what it would be like, I had pictured, for some reason, several rest stops. And today's the first time we actually used one. Anyways, my turn.